수업 시간 시작하겠습니다. Okay, so have you all enjoyed your meal? Okay, so before we start our class, let's read our topic together. Can you read it together with me? Happy, healthy food, happy life, right? Okay, so before we really start our class, let's see our screen. This is the result that you have voted your favorite lunch menu yesterday, right? Okay, in that line, which part is the biggest? Yes, it's pork cutlet, right? And then it's chicken, spaghetti, and pizza, and others, right? Okay, so can you see something strange? You choose like pork cutlet and chicken for your proteins, but you do not include your C protein. What is the C protein? Yes, you didn't include the fish, like salmons, right? Then, why should we include our favorite foods such as like salmons or vegetables and other else? Okay, so teacher is gonna give you like 5 minutes, so you're gonna discuss with your partners. Okay, let's start. Okay, are you all done? Can somebody tell your answers? Why do you think that you should include like other proteins like fish or vegetables in our lunch menu? Okay, Jihan. Oh, Jihan and Seungmin discussed because you need to diet. Why? Okay, you need to enjoy your protein with vegetables, which is helpful to your losing weight. Okay, that seems okay. I can understand it. How about others? Okay, Soyi and Singtan. Oh, because vegetable can boost your energy. Okay, that might seems correct. How about let's read our textbook so that we can check which one is correct, or we can find other reasons that we have to include all various functions of food, okay? Okay, turn your page on 56 on your textbook. Can you see the reading passage? Teacher is gonna give you 10 minutes so that you can read all three, okay? Let's start. We will read this in individually, okay? Hey, time's up. Hey, through the reading, who can tell me what is the main idea? What is the main idea? Yes, thank you, Jimmy. Main idea is we have 4 functions, right? We have 4 functions of each, what? Yes, each healthy food. Okay, then I'm gonna give you a few questions to check your understanding, okay? Okay, the question number one is, what is the 4 function that we have discussed in this reading? Somebody can tell me the answer? Can somebody? Yes, Jimmy, go ahead. Okay, the 4 functions are such as brain power. Okay, you're correct. In physical growth. And then, oh, you cannot remember? Okay, how about, okay, Songchan, go ahead. Okay, yes, bone density. Bone density and relieve stress. Okay, great job. Class, give a big applause to them. Great, good job. How about if we are trying to understand better on this textbook, what should we learn? Which word do we have to learn more? Yes, as everyone said, we have to learn the word boost meaning. Okay? Then I'm gonna give you example sentences to have a better understanding on this word. Protein, food, boost your energy. Then our energy is the power, right? This is the power. Then the food means healthy food, right? As we read in our context, right? Then the word boost can mean power up, or can be say as friends, right? Friends. Okay, you got it? Okay, then I hope you understand this word more better. Then, based on these ideas, I'm gonna give you a chance to redesign your pie chart about your favorite lunch menu, okay? Okay, we have discussed our new healthy lunch menu based on our reading, right? There was like, you guys have suggested fish half, pork half, steak, right? It was included all four functions that we learned, right? And then another example was you have suggested like veggie, chicken, tteokbokki, right? Because you learn how to eat the veggies, right? Then we have discussed this with new dish name and with main ingredients of that menu, and you have all discussed about the reasons, right? Then how about let's imagine if this food really comes out as your lunch menu, then how can you feel that? What can you feel? Yes, you might feel you want to eat really fast, right? You really want to eat this, right? Because you have designed this food menu and based on our healthy functions, right? Then we're gonna write some suggestions. We're gonna write some suggestions for a new dish in our school lunch menu, okay? Okay, first of all, teacher is gonna give you a guideline for this writing. We will do this in individual because we have finished this as a group work, right? We have finished this group work, so we're gonna write this down as an individual. Okay, so for the guideline, please, since it is a suggestion, I want you to write as funny and new thing as you can, okay? So I'm gonna see your creativity. And then, do you remember last time we learned about our way to speak, our slogans, right? Let's eat healthy food, such as like this, right? Do you remember the form that we learned that day? I want you to include that form with the lesson that we learned. And then I want you to use all the 3 elements we just finished through your group work, okay? And then one more thing is I want you to use at least one function, okay? And I want you to use at least one function in your reading, okay? So for example, maybe if we use this work, okay? So maybe we can use this menu. Then I'm gonna draw a picture of it, like fish half, and so that all the four, we can suggest that four functions are all included, okay? Great. And then you can write it as like my dish name is fish half pork half steak. This is the newest menu, right? So and then you can include like let's eat both sea and ground protein. You can finish like this, okay? Do you all got it? Okay, so teacher is gonna give you like 15 minutes. How many minutes? 15 minutes to write this down and use your creativity based on your group work. Or maybe you can use your own reasons from your group work based on your group work. Or maybe you can think out whatever you can think as your own menu, okay? Let's start. Okay, Timmy. Oh, you can't remember the form that we learned last time? Okay, how about, as teacher suggests the example, let's eat both sea and ground protein. If we write the slogan like that, then what do we have to use the form for the verb, acting word? You have to use the base word, yes, without ed form or s form, right? Great. Okay, Minjung. Oh, you wanna change your menu? Okay, go ahead. Oh, you want me to see it looks good or not? How about, oh, you can add some like egg or like beans that you don't like to eat as a veggie itself. It can be very, very fascinating food if you invent it, okay? Great. Okay, so all you guys all done? Then, as your partners are next to you, the person who next to you, right? Okay, change your works and then we're gonna do a peer evaluation. Okay, so I just handed out the peer review checklist. So there is a checklist that includes all the 4 elements that I have give you as a guideline. And then you have to do this as 3-to-1 scoring rubric. The number 3 means very good. Number 2 is so-so, and number 1 means you have to revise it, okay? I will give you for this one like 3 minutes. So reading your partner's work and give your score, okay? Let's start. Okay, so are you guys all done? Oh, okay, I'm gonna walk around. Okay. I really liked your all participation, great job. Okay, so before we finish our class, can somebody volunteer to introduce your new menus to your classmates and teacher? Okay, thank you. Thank you, Sungwan. Come out. Everyone give a big applause to him. Okay, can you start right now? Okay, go. Wow. Okay, thank you, Sungwan. Okay, what is Sungwan's menu for the new lunch schedule? Yes, it was bean cutlet, right? So he choose the bean that you don't like to eat into the best menu that you can enjoy, right? The reason for that menu was what? Yes, bean is the main ingredient that every time we eat, right? But everyone, you try to not eat every time, right? Okay, great job. Okay, so before we finish our class, I want you to upload your all work in our learning log so that Everyone can share your ideas, and teacher can see which one is really nice idea. And we're gonna do a vote for that menu for the top 3, and then teacher will going to suggest to the nutrition teacher for our real menu for our lunch. Okay? See you next time.